Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Plex Media Server and remove libraries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Plex Media Server, begin by stopping the service. On Windows, open the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Locate Plex Media Server under the Processes tab. Right-click on it and select End Task. Next, open the Control panel. Click on Programs and then Programs and Features. Find Plex Media Server in the list. Select it and click on Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. For Mac users, first, stop the Plex Media Server. Open System Preferences and find the Plex Media Server icon. Click on it and select Stop. Now, open the Applications folder. Locate Plex Media Server and drag it to the trash. To remove additional files, open Finder and click on Go. Select Go to Folder and enter /Library Application Support. Look for the Plex Media Server folder and delete it. Next, to remove libraries, open Plex web app in your browser. Log in with your Plex account. Navigate to Settings and click on Libraries. Select the library you wish to remove. Click on the three dots next to the library name. Choose Delete from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Repeat this for any additional libraries you'd like to remove. Finally, check your computer's storage for any remaining Plex-related files. Remove any leftover files to ensure a complete uninstallation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.